Amy's got a flag. Anything there?
I think so.
Hey, it's a crappie. What's that guy doing on there? That was a little minnow.
This triple look pretty good.
Yeah, here, let me get a picture. Oh, other pocket.
Looks like I should be able to get it right out. But it's
He got him right in the roof, huh? Jumbo. There we go. Well, he's an eater.
should we keep him?
Sure.
Alright.
I better get a new minnow.
Yeah.
Amy's got one on.
Hee
Let's see what she pulls up.
Hey.
Look at that.
Baby.
Little bluegill.
I'll let him go. But take a picture of all the ones on the floor.
Holy cow. Fish slayer.
That's right. Let's get another one.
Look at that clear water. Can you see to the bottom? Not really. Flash looks like.
Got this down to a science.
Huh.
Showed me how to. There's the fish.
There it is. Ooh, it's peel and drag.
Nicer one.
Strong bluegill.
Camper or not?
No, we got enough.
We got plenty of bluegills.
Unless you want to clean them.
No.
This is
Get
more.
this out of his mouth.
Yeah,
Oh, now.
cooked good. Get in there. Gone. All right.
Just keep big.
Pull the string, pull it. You got him?
Yeah, something bigger.
All right.
Just big, but something. Not a crappie.
Let's see what we got. Amy's got something.
Pulling.
Ooh, yeah, northern.
Grab me a northern.
All right. Yeehaw!
Got him. Should keep him or let him go?
Oh, it's up to you. We can eat them. We can give them to Ma.
Mom will eat him.
All right, we'll keep them.
All right. Here for Mama.
Good job, eh? All right. We got a flag. We got something. Woohoo!
Northern?
Same as the one you caught. All right, we can let you go, I guess.
Catch you next time.
It's the what time is it, eh?
Yeah, no kidding,
It's
man.
a rush. Quarter.
Tomorrow. did the twins thing. Your camera.
Oh yeah, we're still recording.
Oh.
Yeah.